Now that you've created your menu, you will then want to write code to give your menu items some functionality. Of course, without code, the menu items themselves will appear but will not do anything in response to the user's actions. For example, if I want to click on File and Exit, and at design time if I double click, that will open up the code window for my Exit Tool Strip menu item click event procedure. And of course, it's like with any other item, I can simply type in a comment such as exit the project and then type the line of code to close the window, such as me.close. Just like with any other item, you can go back to the designer window, and now your program at runtime is now functional. If you click File and then Exit, the project will stop as expected. Another example, under Help, or rather under About, if I click on Help, and I'll first make this enabled once again by changing the enabled property to true, and then double click on it. I'll write a comment and of course I can simply write code just like I would if it were a button. Then at runtime, could test it, About, Help, and there is my help window I just created. And then Exit. So just like with every button, every item that you want code for, you would simply click on, or double click rather, at design time. That would open up the code window, so now you can write code into that specific event procedure. By the way, you can create another level of menus by, for example, File, Save. You can see that little filled triangle. I can now create a submenu, or sometimes called a flyout menu. For example, I might say Save As. And now I'm creating another menu item which is a sublevel of Save by simply following the direction of that item. So at runtime it will look like this. Click on File, Save, and now I have the Save As option. Of course at this point it doesn't do anything because I have not written any code for it. In another movie we'll take a look at one more type of menu, which is called a context menu.